Hello, my people. Hello, Biafrans, friends of Biafrans, and lovers of freedom. Good evening, good morning, and good afternoon, depending on your time zone. This is a short one. Today being Tuesday, the 19th of October, 2021, in the year of our Lord. So, Onyendu will be appearing on the 21st, 3 days from today. I just want to give you a word of advice, especially to die hard. To die hard. People that want this restoration to take effect now. Yes, Onyendu will be coming to court on the 21st October. And why I want to make this broadcast this night is because I saw in the dailies that the federal government, the Zoo government, have amended 7 fresh charges: terrorism activities and all that against Onyendu. I saw it and I laughed. And I know that some of you, when you see this kind of news, it will cut your hearts. I know some of you may not even carry this news. But I want to assure you tonight that you should not worry. Forget what you see in the papers. It doesn't make any sense. These are just political statements. It carries no weight. It holds no water. They are pressing 7 fresh charges against Mazen Kano based on terrorism activities, etc., etc., etc. And I know that when some people beloved Biafra, when you read it, when you see this news, you will be discouraged, you will be heartbroken, you will be weak. But I want to tell you tonight that you should not bother yourself, you should not worry yourself about that news. It does not hold water. Believe me, Onyendu will be out very soon. I cannot assure you that you'll be out in 3 days' time on the 21st. That I don't know. But what I know for a certainty is that Onyendu will soon be a free man. He will soon regain his freedom. The pressure on the zoo government, the pressure on the zoo government is unbelievable. Coming from USA, coming from Europe, coming from every nook and corner of the world. The zoo is being pressurized to release him. Okay, let me tell you what is happening. It's not a secret anywhere. When Buhari came to Imo State, when he came to Imo State, our next thing will discuss with him about the release of Mazen Khan, which he accepted. And he told him to raise a committee that will come for it. And that was why you saw the Southeast Senate Caucus, led by Ike Kuremade, making such statement that they are going to find a political solution. This has been arranged. Believe me, he will be released. So don't get heart attack because of the news you saw today. No, he will be released. That I know. The zoo is seeing it hot. Do you know what is happening when a part of the country is sitting at home? Do you know how the international community sees the zoo? They sit at home. This every morning sit at home. He's weakening the zoo. It is giving sleepless night to the zoo. The tension in the south is a very big problem to the zoo. And they know, the whole Nigerians know that if they want peace in the southeast, they must release Onyendu. They know. And if they don't release him, the southeasterners will go for a month sit at home. Yes, it will affect us economically, but Onyendu is more important than all the money in the world. Believe me. That man is more important than all the billions of trillions of dollars in the world. He have done enough. He has sacrificed enough. He deserves it. Even if it's 1 year sit at home, he deserves it. So we wait and we watch what will happen on the 21st. So I want to encourage you, those of you who are in the Zoom, if you can go to Abuja, please go. Dress as a gentleman, okay? Dress as a gentleman. Just go and witness the proceedings, the court proceedings. It's just a camouflage. It just what will happen in the court on the 21st has nothing to do with Mazen and the Kano. He has no problem with the court. He will be released under political arrangement. Not the court. The court is just there for a form camouflage. So let your heart not be troubled. Yes, let your heart not be troubled. Many people are going for Mazina the candidate. Many of you don't know. There are two governors from the southeast who started from day one, pressurizing, going to Abuja, seeking for the release of Mazina the candidate. Two governors. I'm not giving you their names. So don't think that the Igbos are not doing anything or that the Eflefus, as we call them, are happy. No. Everybody knows the importance of Martin Nadekano. Whether you believe in Biafra or not, we know that that guy is a genius. We treasure him. We treasure him. So everybody is working towards his release. Believe me. You see all the Igbo lawyers heading to Abuja for this case. You saw the Haneze compiling group of lawyers for this case. You saw one Igbo Congress. Every Igbo man and woman is interested in this case. We have identified him. If you read the news, someone said to call him our son. So that tells you all you need to know. So, people of God, let's keep praying, let's keep fasting, let's keep hoping, let's keep believing that Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nwa Chineke Ọmadike Biafra land will soon regain his freedom. We miss his voice. That thunderous voice that scares Satan. He makes the zoo to shiver. We miss his voice, honestly. We miss his voice. But very soon, hearing his voice once again. So I want to say, be calm, be law abiding. Stop attacking your brothers. We are all in this struggle for one thing, the restoration of Biafra. Those who are in support of DOS, those who are in support of Mazeba, and those who are in support of Omar Ada Biafra, we are all one, fighting for one just cause. Let us stop this attack. Washing or dirty linen in public, it makes no sense. One with God is majority, we are with God. So, my people, this is all I have for you tonight. Good night. God bless you. Bye bye.